Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Nissan X-Trail here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the center of the console on the screen. From here, we're going to go to menu, then settings, then clock. Then from here you can turn the on-screen clock on and off in the top right hand corner. You can set the clock format to 24-hour clock, 12-hour clock. The date format, you have the dates, month and the years there. And then lastly, set clock manually. You do your hours, your minutes. And once you're done, just press back. And that's it.